Ano yung nagpapastress sa'yo lately?
Bills.
Wow!
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Amazing.
This one. My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds.
Unbelievable.
Time, I want you to think of something that stresses you out lately. I'm going to guess kung ano yung nagpapastress sa kanya. Ready ka na ba?
Yes, sir.
Hindi ka naman lalo masistress pag iniisip mo to. Okay. Talaga nasistress. Nakakamdaman na niya yung stress. Parang malapit na ito. Nakakamdaman niya, uy, medyo malapit na to. Yung tension, meron na, uy, may kinalaman sa pera. Okay? Think of the first letter for me. Isipin mo yung first letter. Nakita niyo yung lips niya? It's like she wanna say the letter B.
Yes.
Tama, B?
Yes, yes.
Natatawa na lang siya pero kinakabahan na siya. Pero feeling ko kayang-kaya na to eh. Parang, Sige, close your eyes. I'm guessing this is the one with stressing her out. Alright, ma'am, Maricar. Ano yung nagpapastress sa'yo lately?
Bills.
Wow!
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Amazing.
This-
Okay. Nice meeting you.